We're starting on a seat project, so we're going to renew all of the upper deck and aft deck seating. Not exactly renew the seating, we're going to renew the seat covers. And this is one of the old covers we've taken off. It's in a bit of a sorry state. It's again quite old, it's getting brittle, but we're going to take this apart and use it as a pattern. So the long boring job is unpicking the old seat covers. We've marked them up. This is the back, but it's all marked up with reference points. Now we have to unpick it and then use the unpicked parts as the template to cut the new covers ready for stitching. So this will take some time. So we'll see you later. And here we are. So we've transferred all the marks that were made, lining up marks from the old ones, and cut them onto the new material. And obviously that was the back side, and this is the front, a nice silver material that's got a beautiful feel to it. It's really nice texture on that. This is actually a material used on Sunseakers. Now this is all about experimentation. What we're going to try and do is make some little badges to go on the back of the or on the tops of the seats. The captain's seat has a Carver yachts emblem embroidered in, but it's almost worn out, and obviously we'll lose that when we change the seats cover. So I've printed on sublimation paper using sublimation ink Carver yachts emblem, and we've got some offcuts from the C-line material, and I'm going to put that through my mug heat press. So that's just heating up at the moment. And what we'll do is tape that to that. So what we will do is tape that to that, and then tape that to the mug, and then put it in the heat press for about 150 seconds. I have done one test already, and it appears to work. It does flatten out the peaks, which is you would expect, because it is a heating and pressing process. So, but here goes. Okay, so we've now stuck the material to the sublimation paper. We're using a heat-proof tape. We'll just start this heating up. It needs to get up to about 180 degrees, and then I'll take the mug out and stick this to the mug and then put it in. So that's running now. It's been running a little bit. I need to let that run down until the timer shows 80 seconds left, and then I'll take the mug out. That's because it's preset to 230 seconds for mug pressing, and we don't want to do that. And so there we are. That's the new badge produced. Came out off the sublimation paper, which has gassed the ink off onto the badge itself. All we have to do is zigzag stitch that in position. and so by the magic of video, that is the seat back. It's inside out, but it's into the interior of it, so it's over to me to fit it. And I'll not show you that wrestling bit, but that is a wrestle. And there, by the magic video, it's stuffed into its there we go. That's one more. That's the captain's seat done. Just need to smooth all that in, but it's in and done, and need to take him back to the boat.